Hi, good evening. Myself Aishwarya. So I'm a third year electronics student, which is entering now into the fourth year. So we are going to discuss about real-time electrical vehicle monitoring and driver assistance. So we have been using STM32 Blue Pill, and we also have the simulation lab and also Python dashboard. So I'll give an overview about what all things that have been learned. So first of all is the project overview. So we have heard multiple times the name advanced driver assistance systems because they use sensor data to warn the drivers of collisions, blind spots and parking hazards, improving safety without full autonomy. And why it matters? Because as the electric vehicles grows in adoption, integrated smart dashboards with ADAS capabilities become essential for safety, also for their efficiency and driver confidence in real world conditions. So next is the problem statements. So what are the current challenges that the EVs is facing? First one is the manual monitoring of speed, battery and temperature is error prone and it is distracting. The next is no real-time safety alerts are also being there, and the next is a lack of integrated visualization. Data is lost across separate instruments. Then we have as a parking assistance. So parking assistance is absent in many entry-level EV platforms. So what are the different project objectives? So as we can see, the first one is speed and torque. So the real-time speed estimation and torque calculation from the sensor inputs. The second is SOC, so the battery SOC, which is the state of charge. Then next is the motor temperature. So continuous motor temperature monitoring with thermal alerts is very much important. Then we have the collision warning systems. So forward collision detection using ultrasonic sensor data. And then we have blind spot, that is a side object detection with driver alert system. Also we have a parking assist. So from here you can see the system architecture. So you can see sensors, then you can see STM32 processing. So we are using Blue Pill here, and then we have a UART communications. That means the serial packets are being transmitted, and then we have a Python dashboard. So in this Python dashboard you can see light charts, gauges and also ADAS alerts visualization. So what are the different technologies that we have used? The first one is hardware. In that you can see STM32 Blue Pill. Then you have ultrasonic sensors, then you also have potentiometers. In the second one we have as a development tools, that is we have used STM32 Cube IDE. Then we also have HAL library because we have to access certain things from the HAL library as well. Then you also have a simulator. Then communication, we are using a UART serial protocol because it is best for this project. And then you also have a Python serial as well. And then the visualization is by using Python MATLAB or by using the real-time plotting because we are plotting the images in real time. So what are the different features that we have? First one is the EV dynamics. That means the speed estimation, the torque calculation. For example, those people who have drove EVs, they know you can have eco, normal and sport modes. You have different speed dynamics. And then we have as a battery management. So the state of charge estimation and remaining range, because in EVs the main thing which we have to take into consideration is the state of charge and also the regenerative braking. So what are the safety features? First one is the forward collision warning. So we have the ultrasonic sensors which measure the phone distance. So it calculates is there any possibility of collision or something like that, and also blind spot, because sometimes when we are driving we cannot see certain things. So it actually helps us to get the blind spot detection. Then we also have a parking assist and also fault detection. So the results and demonstration, as you can see here. So the speedometer and battery gauge. So animated real time voyages update via UART. So you can see all the things that we have, it has been shown here. Everything you can see in here because we have even the battery percentage, you can see the speed, you can see. So everything is shown in the dashboard. Okay, even you can see the fault alerts as well, as you can see there. So what are the different things that I've learned from this is, first of all is the embedded system, because this was the first time me doing a project on embedded system. So I had got a very good understanding of STM32 firmware, its ID, the HAL configurations and also the peripheral interfacing. Then the next is about the UART communications. Yes, I have learned a lot about that also, and basically about the ADAS concepts and the Python dashboard. So next you can see is the things that I've implemented. So it is an image that shows the various things that I've implemented. So you can see here, the accelerator pad, then you can see the brake, SOC, motor temp. So these are all the things which I have discussed earlier. And also you can see, how the connections are being made. So I have created a image over here, and then you can see in the EV dashboard, you can see the speed, the battery SOC, the motor temp, the drive mode as well, and the accelerometer increase. So all these data with the help of the connections that I've given here, these are the things that I can visualize. Okay, so alarm levels, you can see there is none, advisory, warning, fault codes are being there, 0 into 0 0, there is no fault. If a 1 is coming, there is an over temperature, so also you can see UART packet. So this is a whole summary of this. So I hope you have understood all things that I've learned. Thank you.